Hi guys, so today I'm going to be trying out a couple items from Spellbinders' new Liberty collection. They did send these items free of charge for my review, and all opinions are my own. Any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So the Liberty collection really is something you can add onto your Sunday drive. If you're familiar with Sunday drive, it's like a little convertible car, super cute. It's like you're looking at it from the back. And I've already made tutorials on using that base die set. And so with the Liberty collection, they also have an add-on for it that includes like an Uncle Sam and a Lady Liberty, which is super cute. And you can try out that way. These are the items I chose to review or to try out. So I have this color block panel. You might wonder how to use that. Big die, lots of fun, different ways you can use it. So I'm going to use this one today. And also the sentiment set that goes back to the Sunday drive, which again was like a car, like a little car trunk. So we have delivering bugs and hisses, you know, your greatest adventure starts here. We have North Pole Express delivery. So things that have to do with all kinds of different sentiments throughout the year. You can see them all there. I'll have the links, like I said, for you guys. Delivering chocolate and jelly beans. Of course, that's for like the Easter bunny one, which I did pick up. I haven't tried it yet. It is so cute with the little bunnies, little baby bunnies. Happy Halloween. I mean, there's thank you for your service again to go with the Liberty collection there. And just a lot of generic sentiments. Okay, so we're gonna use those. But then I thought, you know, those also coordinate with the Truckin' Through the Seasons, and since I haven't used this one, as you can see, it's brand new in packaging. This is something I picked up a while back. I'm gonna use this one today. So what I'm gonna do is just choose some colors. I think what I'm gonna do is, let me open this up real quick. Get rid of some of that glare. It's very simple. I mean, you can do as little or as much as you like, again, with all these kind of paper piece or projects. You know, you need your base truck, of course, which for me is this piece here. And I'm going to use the stamp set, so I'm going to stamp a sentiment. So I'll need that for my base of my truck. I'll need this piece that we're going to do with our sentiment. So I'm going to leave it here for now because I don't want to misplace that in the meantime. We have our little brake lights, you know, whatever lights, so whatever color you want to do your brake lights in. What's cute on the packaging here on this inspiration is they're just pink. They just made it very sweet and fun that way. So they're just little pink brake lights with, again, your little mirrors. And so, you know, you just kind of look at this here, die cut, you know, there's your lights. You need 2 tires. Whatever little pieces you want to add in here. I think what I'm going to do is like the beach theme items that are in here, like the surfboard and stuff like that. And then, you know, your bumper. And yeah, it doesn't have a lot of pieces. You know, it just depends on what you want to do as far as decorating it. So I'm going to choose a color for this. I'm going to cut out my little lights, my little mirrors, and what else is basic? Oh, the tires. And then my little bumper there. What's so cute here is it does have a lot of different seasons in here, even though they do have add-ons for that same truck. This one has like your little tree, you have your, you know, fall, your pumpkin, you have your summer themes, which is what I'm going to use today. You have like your birthday or gift themes. There's like little stars and cute things. Oh, how cute to put on top of your tree. Anyhow, okay, so I will get these basic things cut and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we have all our pieces here. We don't need that. You know, with the mirror, or not mirror, with the window, a lot of times you can cut this out of clear acetate, or just don't put anything, put some acetate behind the whole thing, or just leave it like that. So, or white paper, whatever it is that you want to do. I'm going to leave it just the way it is. And then I need my little bumper here. I think I'm going to pop this guy up a little bit. And we have our little mirror here. So I did not rubber emboss these, but if you want to do that to get all the details, of course, it just makes it look that much more awesome. So I'm just going to glue my little pieces down. Other than the bumper, I'm going to pop that up, like I said. So for right now, I'm just looking at the picture and just do my layering. So pretty simple. I'm going to put this guy here and here, and then a little dot there and there. I made these lights red and these lights yellow, I think. Maybe I need to spend more time looking at it. Truck. In my truck, the red, the brake light's on top, the larger one, and then the little yellow one's at the bottom, but I don't know. All right. And I'll leave that there. All right. And then we're going to put the little back little side mirrors here, and then the tires. Okay, guys, I hope this is recording correctly. I was recording in my camera. I paused, and when I came back, it did something funny, and I'm not sure. But anyway, I just put a little bit of glue on here and here and put the tires. I'll just keep an eye on this camera, see what it's doing. Okay, and then we have our little mirrors here. I'll just put a little glue here, a little glue there. And I'll glue those on. Oopsie. And then again, just going to put some dimensional adhesives on that bumper. And you kind of eyeball where that's at, how that's doing. It's pretty good. So cute. Every little bit of detail just adds so much. Okay, and the bumper pieces, I'm just going to put a little dimensional adhesive on these areas, and I'll be right back. Okay. And so I just put some dimensional on the back of that. And again, I like to use every bit of my dimensional, so I just cut down into whatever we have here and use that. And it'll go somewhere like in here. Okay, and the next thing I want to do is work on the surfboard and beach ball. So I think I'll cut out the beach ball out of white paper, so because what we have is just the detail die. And then I'm gonna lay it probably on another piece of paper and then maybe fussy cut that, I don't know, so I can get the paper piecing, because that's what I want. And then my little surfboard, which I'll cut from like, surfboards usually have like a natural wood color. Some of them are a little bit funky, I don't know. Maybe I'll cut out a pink, and then we'll paper piece in some other colors. So I will be right back. So to prep my pieces, like I said, you can put just a piece of tape behind this, or however you want to do it. If you put a piece of tape, you have the sticky side facing up, and then you pop in the pieces that you want to paper piece. I'm going to glue them to colors that are the same, and then I'm going to paper piece pieces back in here. So I'll run this through yellow, red, and blue paper, because that's what the colors I want for my beach ball. And then the surfboard, I'll probably run through some deeper pink colors or some other colors. I'm not sure what yet. But I'm going to put glue on the back of my hand because this is kind of thin. And glue it down that way. And then I'll fussy cut that. If you have a circle die, you know, you can get that out that way. So that's just giving me a background that I can work with. And I use the same color, so when I fussy cut it, it's not the biggest deal. Okay, so I'm just going to glue this down. And I'll glue it down right here. And again, I'm going to run through my dies through the colors that I want to paper piece back in, and I'll be right back. So I know it's hard to see, it's white on white, but what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of glue, pop it in here, pop it in here, pop it in here. You can do a little bit at a time, but I'm just going to put it all down. And I always like red, so red's going to be my main color that I want to put in here. So we go with that one, pop it out, pop it in there, then maybe yellow, then maybe the blue piece over here. I hope you can see the way I popped them out is I made it so that hopefully they kind of stay together, so it's easy to work with again. Let's see, what else? If we did blue, red, yellow, we're going to need blue, which is this piece here. Red back on the top, this little guy. Oh, good. It was an even amount, so it works out. And then this yellow right here. And there's a little centerpiece. You can put in whatever color you like there. I didn't really think about that one. Should I use? You know what? I'm going to take a little black piece. I'll pop it in there to top that off, okay? And I'll do the same thing with this guy. Just run it through different colors and pop them in. It only has 4 little sections, and I'll be right back. Okay, and like I said, I'm just going to cut these out. Here we go. I thought these were handier than they were. And I'm just going to go around the very edge and just trim it out. And that's just so I can paper piece. You don't have to do it this way. Like I said, there's other little tricks you can do. But these were very simple lines, so I figured I'll just do it this way. Okay, I'll cut this guy out, and I'll cut out the beach ball. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I have stuff all over the place here. All right. Okay, so I have my card base. Let me back up a little bit. And What I think I'm going to do is I have this piece of paper from the Beach Day paper pad. I just love that paper pad. I need to hoard it. I need to pick up many more than just having the 2 that I have. But I'm going to I just cut it 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 to completely cover up my card base. You know, some of this is not going to be showing, so I guess if you want to save a little paper, you can cut that. But I'm just matting it completely on here. And I have a piece of craft cardstock, a Spellbinders craft cardstock, and I'm just going to cut this piece with it so it looks like sand, I think. So I'm going to run this through and get that cut out, and then we'll start assembling and put our little sentiment on here. I'll be right back. Okay, I have that piece. I haven't stuck anything down yet, but let's see what this looks like. I was thinking about that. Oh yeah, I think that's good. I think that's good. We're going to drive into the ocean. And then we have these little pieces that will pop in here. So cute. And then we need our sentiment. So I think I'll go ahead and stamp the sentiment just on white paper. And I think I'm going to use, let's see which one. No road is too long with good company. Happiness is a road trip with good playlist. Your greatest adventure starts here. Wishing you a day filled with joy. Let's do happiness is a road trip with a good playlist. I think that's cute. Okay, I'm just gonna straighten that out. I can see it's on there a little bit crooked. Okay, and I'll just stamp it in black ink. And then I'll use the die that comes in the kit to cut that out. Aww, so cute. Okay, so I will just cut that out again with the die. Where is it? Here we go. This one. And I'll be right back. So we have our little pieces. I'm gonna put some dimensionals on the back of this and just stick it down on my little trunk here. I'm gonna glue these pieces down. So I'll just glue this down and then glue this down just flat. Little dimensionals on there. And I just leave it crisp and clean. But if you want to do a little, you know, inking around the edges or however you'd like, you can definitely do that. I'm trying to think if I'm gonna keep it flat or if I'm gonna pop it up. I think I'll just leave it flat since this is popped up too. And then I'll decide where I want to put these little things. So what I think I'll do is put glue just all around here. And then we're going to tuck it in there. So I'm not going to put too much glue there. I'll put it here and here just to get this going. And a little bit down here. Just to help me hold that down. And we'll put this little guy right here. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna let that set up before I start kind of finagling these little things in here. So I'll be right back. So let's go ahead and put our little cuties in here, and you can do the border either way if you want it that way or this way. It just depends on what more do you like to show. I think I'm gonna leave it sticking out a pretty good amount like that. And I'm just gonna put some glue down. That one there. I'm going to put something on here to hold it well. And then this little guy. So cute. I'll put some glue on him. And tucking that in. Okay. Alright guys, and that's my card, and I think I'm going to put a little bit more something in the foreground here. What's cute is that in here that has like flowers and stuff, but I thought that looks like a little starfish, so I'm going to cut a couple of these out in like very pale colors, and I'll just kind of sprinkle them here or there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much Spellbinders for sending these items for my review. Super cool, like, you know, it's a very basic shape. It's really fun though. I mean, if you wanted to cut other ones and layer them up, there's examples there, of course, on their site, and you get some more inspiration from that. So thanks for watching guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.